Good morning, boys and girls. My name is Miss Rhoda Prasad. And for maths today, we gonna look at a video. Good. So, the topic for today is addition of fractions with like denominators. Here I have a video for you to look at.
Hello, welcome to Tutoring Hour. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add like fractions. Look at this whole pepperoni pizza cut to 8 equal parts. Isn't that tempting? What would you do if you got one? Can't answer that for you, but I'd have gobbled it up for sure. And this is exactly what Jake and Amanda did too. Jake ate 3/8 of the pizza, and Amanda ate 2/8 of the whole pizza. How much of the pizza did they eat all together? Jake ate 3 out of the 8 slices. Amanda ate 2 out of the 8 slices. Can you guess how much of the pizza they ate all together? Yes, you are right. Jake and Amanda ate 5 out of the 8 slices, or 5/8 of the pizza altogether. Yippee, we've got the answer. Let's take another example. Linda walked 4/9 of a mile to reach the library, and another 3/9 of a mile to reach the park. How many miles did she walk altogether? Let me show you an easy way to do it. This time I'll draw a number line. Instead of dividing a circle like I did before, I'll divide the number line into 9 equal parts between 0 and 1. And I'll mark them 0, 1/9, 2/9, go on until 9/9, which becomes a whole. I'll write that as 1. Now let's move on to the next step. Linda walked 4/9 of a mile. So let's draw a hop from 0 to 4/9. And then she walked another 3/9 of a mile. Starting at 4/9, I'll draw 3 more hops, covering 1/9, then 2/9, and then 3/9 of a mile. That's it. Linda walked 7/9 of a mile in all. Let's represent this number line model as a fraction addition equation. 4/9 plus 3/9 makes 7/9. Hooray, we have solved one more. Great go. Think you are ready for the big leap? Then let's try another problem. 5/13 plus 7/13. Look at both these fractions. They have the same denominators. When two fractions have the same denominators, we call them like fractions. While adding like fractions, we don't add the denominators, we simply retain them. We only add the top number and write the sum over the common denominator. Let me write the common denominator first, 13. Now I'll add the numerators 5 and 7. Write that as 5 plus 7 over the common denominator, 13. Adding them, I get 12/13. Woohoo, that was quick. Think you've mastered it? Hold on, this one may stump you because it has an added step. Let's work it out. 6/15 plus 3/15. Both the fractions have the same denominators, 15. I'll write that down. Then I'll add up the top numbers, 6 and 3, which is equal to 9. The answer is 9/15. And now comes the added step. Look at this fraction, 9/15. This can be reduced, meaning it can be simplified to the lowest terms. You may ask how. It's quite simple. Factor the numerator and the denominator. 9 can be written as 3 times 3, and 15 can be written as 3 times 5. The numerator and the denominator have a common factor, 3. Let me circle that. The 3 in the numerator and the 3 in the denominator cancel each other, leaving us with 3/5. We understand that the fraction 9/15 simplifies to 3/5. Now that's a job well done. How about a quick recap? 1. What are like fractions? Fractions with the same denominators are called like fractions. 2. How to add like fractions. Write the common denominator. Add the numerators and write the sum over the common denominator. 3. How to simplify or reduce fractions. Factor the numerator and the denominator. Cancel the common factors and write the reduced fraction. I strongly believe that practice makes perfect. And if you do too, then visit www.tutoringhour.com. Check the link in the description box, download as many worksheets as you need, and get
Okay.
practicing. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs.
From that video, we learned about. Can anybody tell me? Yes, Ravinder, we learned about adding fractions. Very good. With like denominators. Very good. Now, to add fractions, a fraction has a, can anybody tell me the top number of the fraction is called the numerator? The what? Yes, Mayank, the numerator. Okay, very good, class. Give me my clap. Yes, can you tell me, Jaden, which number is the denominator from the fraction I've shown you there? 5, very good. Now a fraction has a numerator, which is the top number, and a denominator, which is the bottom number. The line that divides the numerator from denominator, can anybody tell me what that is? Yes, Catalia. The vinculum. Very good. Give Catalia a clap. Good. So we are adding fractions with like denominators. And by adding fractions with like denominators, we have to follow steps. Now, the first step is to read from me, class. Add the numerator. So we add the top number. So we have the example there. From the picture, they have a pizza and we have to add, let's read, 4, 6 plus 2, 6. Okay. Sorry, we have 4, 8 plus 2, 8 equals. So we have to add 4 pieces and we have to add 2 pieces. So what we add 4 and 2, what do we have? Yes, yes, Jaden Bob. We have 6. And so the numerator will be 6. So we have 6 pizza. Let's count the pizza. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many equal parts does the pizza have? The pizza will equal to 8 equal parts. Good, very good. Now I have a problem for you to do. Where let's read the fraction. 3/5 plus, yes class, 1/5 equals something. Now I would like to anybody would like to volunteer? Okay, we have Anissa will add the fractions. 3 plus 1 will give you what, Anissa? 4. 4 is the numerator. Very good. Give her a clap, class. And what do we do when the fractions are alike? We put back the what, class? The denominator. Very good. Give yourself a clap. So the answer will be 4/5. Very good, class. Now I have worksheets for you to do. You will go into the groups, that group 1. Here's your worksheet. The instruction says, solve the following additional problems with, sorry, that's a typo, it's like denominators. So we have 1 to 6 to do. You write your name, everybody, class, you write your name, the class, and the dates. You head up. Right? When you receive your worksheet, you write your name, the class, and today's date. Good. Okay, group 2. The instruction says choose the correct answer by circling the corresponding letter. So it's a multiple choice. You have A, B, C, or D. You read the sum and you circle the correct answer. Okay, group 3. This is a worksheet. It says color the fractions to show the answer. So we have 1/4 plus 1/4 equals 2/4. So class, I'll be working with the group 3, and you can work quietly in your group. I'll be assisting group 3. So group 3, here we have 1/4. So the number at the top tells you how much you have to, yes, Judah? Shade by. So you have to shade by how much, Judah? 1. Good. So you have to shade 1 parts. Good. Very good. Let's see how you color. Good. So I'll give you some time to work on your worksheets, and I'll be coming around to check. Okay, I'm checking your worksheets. Okay. Now everybody is finished with their worksheets, and I finished marking. We will play a game. Before we play the game, I'll now distribute your homework. You will do the worksheet I provided for your homework. Good. So I have a game with me. So this is for group 1. You have to solve the fractions here. We have 15/21 plus 5/21. Add that quickly for me and tell me the answer. Okay, group 1 or the class, can anybody tell me what's the answer? You remember, put back the denominator and you must add the numerator. So what do you get when you add the numerator? 15 plus 5. Miss, the correct answer is, yes, Anissa, 20/21, and you have solved the puzzle. Very good. Give her a clap, class. And this is the puzzle. Good. Now I have a next puzzle for you to do. Okay? So I have this puzzle. We have 6 over 12 plus 4 over 12. Remember what you have to do when you're adding fractions with like denominator. Okay, class, can you tell me the answer? Is it 3 over 4 or 3/4 or 10 over 12? Yes, Alia? Miss, it's 10 over 12, okay. The correct answer is 10 over 12. Very good. Give yourself a clap. Good. So, group clue, or this is for the class. We have 5 9s plus 2 9s. Can you tell me the answer, class? Yes. Yes, Saffron? 7th. 9th. Class, do you have the answer? Then you have solved the puzzle. Yay. Good, very good. Now that you have solved the problems, it's time to reflect what we have learned from this lesson. So I will now give you the exit ticket. You write your name. Today I learned about, you write it in the space provided on the line. Things I do not understand, what you do not understand, and how do you feel about the lesson. Circle the correct emoji. You have a smile emoji, meaning you're happy, a love emoji, meaning you love the lesson, and a sad emoji. Okay, Simran, can you tell me what you learned about this lesson? You learned about adding fractions with like denominators. Very good. And that will bring me to the end of my lesson today. Give yourself a clap. Thank you for listening to my lesson today.